Video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized school dashboard for 2024 using Notion. Whether you're a student organizing your academic life or just someone looking to stay on top of your studies, this step-by-step guide will help you set up an effective digital planner that keeps all your educational needs in one place. First, let's start by opening Notion. Simply head over to their website, which you can find at Notion. If you're new to Notion, you'll need to sign up for an account, which is free. But if you're already familiar with it, go ahead and log in with your existing credentials. Once you're in, we'll move on to creating a new page. Over on the left sidebar of your Notion dashboard, you'll see a button that says Plus New Page. Click on that. A new blank page will pop up. You'll want to name this page School Dashboard 2024. Just type that in and hit Enter on your keyboard to store the name. Now, with a blank page ready, let's add a quick template layout to get things going. Scroll down to the bottom of your page and look for the Templates option. Click on it. Then search for something like Student Hub or School Planner. These templates can offer a great starting point. If nothing pops up that suits your style, don't worry. We can always build the structure manually, which I'll guide you through next. Inside your School Dashboard 2024 page, let's add a few sections. We'll start by typing in some headings. Type A / then heading 1, followed by the title you want. For instance, you can type subjects for your first heading. Do the same for the following sections: assignments, study planner, and calendar view. These headers will structure your dashboard neatly. Moving forward, let's create a subjects table. Under the subjects section, type A / and then table. Choose table, inline from the options. Now, rename the columns to fit your needs. Change name to subject name, and then add more columns like professor as a text column, schedule as a date, and notes as another text column. You can also add some sample subjects like Math 101, English 2, and History for reference. Next, you'll want to add an assignments tracker. Under the Assignments section, repeat the process of typing a / and selecting Table, inline. Rename the columns. Name becomes assignment title. Add a subject column using the relation feature to link it to your subjects table. Include columns for due date and status, the latter being a select type with options like to do, in progress, and done. This helps you directly connect your tasks to your subjects. Following this, let's create a study planner. Again, type a / under the study planner section and select Table, inline. Create columns for topic, subject, link to your subjects table, date, duration in minutes, and notes. Finally, add a calendar view for a holistic overview. Type a /, choose calendar, and select calendar full page. Rename it Class and Deadlines Calendar. This will allow you to drag assignments or study sessions directly onto the calendar for easy scheduling. If you'd like, take an extra step to personalize your dashboard by adding icons or covers at the top of each section. This optional step adds a visual touch that can make your dashboard both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it, a complete and customizable school dashboard for 2024 designed entirely in Notion. Use this dynamic setup to organize your academic responsibilities effectively.